viewers, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time of seeing me, my name is Emeka, the Chief Priest, also known as Mazi Chukwemeka. On this channel, I discuss spiritual tips and help people live a spiritual active life. I want to discuss something about why people should always take Alpha consultation serious. Do you know that so many avoidable deaths can be averted by people consulting their spiritual leaders or spiritualists? Because before something happens physically, it has taken shape spiritually. Before any untimely death happens physically, it has taken shape spiritually. That what your eyes can see, your eyes have limited ability to see what is happening spiritually. And most times, most people that are spiritually active are being shown what will happen to them via dreams. That is why any person that is spiritually active does not take dreams for granted. And for you to understand what is going on around you or what may happen to you, definitely a sign will come to you through dreams. That is why you should never take spiritual things for granted. When you have been given the information ahead of time so that you become prepared, no one watches you than your detractor, that's someone that wants to see your downfall. And you see, they are always in a gang, they're in a group, they have network. Most times, modernity has come and made us not to believe in spiritual things, made us feel like spiritual things are non-existent. But the truth of the matter is that what you can see, what you cannot see is greater than what you can see. These people that are against your success or your progress, they have a network, they work in groups. You can be here in Lagos or you can be here in a particular spot. They'll be giving you information of your movement and your whereabouts. They know their way out and their way in. They monitor your movement, your way out and your way in. The people you talk to, the people you relate with, the kind of things you do, the kind of things where you are always going to. So it is easier for you to be tracked down whenever they feel like your time is up. So that is why you should never take. I keep warning this because so many people have gone and many people are still going daily. And that is why here, as coming as a lifesaver, I always want to help people to prevent and to curb material and spiritual losses. So that is why you should take spiritual things seriously. No one watches you like someone that is envious of your progress, someone that is a detractor, someone that feels like he deserves that what you're enjoying better than you. So that is why before you do anything, before you embark on any journey or embark on any business trip, before you go for any marriage proposal, know the person you are even getting involved with, whether the person's spiritual forces are aligned with yours. If the person's spiritual forces and yours does not align, that means there will be a mishap somewhere. And when there's a mishap, there's always casualties, and you're not supposed to be part of the casualties when there's a mishap. That is why everyone should take spiritual things seriously. Whether you are moving to a new environment where you don't know anything about anyone or anything about that environment, go and seek services of a spiritualist. They will run an Alpha consultation. I run an Alpha consultation service. Mine is to see things ahead of time. I'm not actually a prophet, but I think I'm still better than the prophets. Prophets are people that are given that spiritual gift to predict, because I see them as predictors. They predict and it happens, or they predict before it happens. But the spiritualists like me I don't have to predict. Once I ask the questions, they'll provide the answers. It's not the issue of predicting. It's a matter of asking deep questions spiritually, and my spiritual forces will provide the answers. So, like I always keep saying this, no success was made overnight. No successful person that you see, no successful person that you see made their money overnight. Success is gradually built. Success was something that one took their time and was working out on something, and one day it paid off. But when you that money, or when that particular thing start happening for you, a lot of detractors, a lot of envious people will start showing up. And that is when you need spiritual backup. You need a spiritual backup so that they will not outweigh you, or they will not waylay you. That is the street language. And these are the things that you needed to do. So if there is any form of settlement that you need to settle, any spiritual force and all that, it is your spiritualist that will tell you what to do. And I bet you that majority of these wealthy politicians or wealthy individuals you see in our society, they have strong spiritual backup. I don't want to start giving testimony here. I don't want to start saying some things here. I don't want to reveal the cat of the out of the bag. But we have a lot of highly placed people that we work for, that we don't need to reveal their information to the public. So that is how it is done. In case you need this Alpha consultation service, you can chat me on my WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. My number is 09040113281. And in case you are told to do anything after your Alpha consultation service result is out, do not take those things for granted. So that is how it should be. So please, if you're tuning in for the first time, try to subscribe to my channel. And you can also like this video in case you find it educative or informative. You can share the video. Someone else may benefit from it. Share the video on your own timeline. All you do is copy the link. There's a link that you see below. Once you copy that link, you paste it on your own timeline. The video will appear there. And for those that want to ask questions concerning what I've just said, that don't understand anything, you can chat me on WhatsApp through the same number, or you can drop your message on the comment section. I will respond to them. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.